Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are back with a chase for DCL against ADCL Reds. The target is 151. Tanveer will be starting the proceeding for ADCL Reds in bowling. Facing him is the captain, Hassan Saeed. Umpire, the timer starts now. And here we go. And nearly, but excellent delivery nevertheless. Starts with a dot ball. And Mushaid the stumps. Single taken off the mark. So, match which will decide who will be the finalist for the Shield. 150 runs left between DCL and the final, and 10 wickets between ADCL Reds and their first final of the season. Let's see. Excellent delivery, very well played by Umar. He's off the mark. That is slashed towards point. The fielder is there. Excellent fielding. Two fielders. Long on, slightly towards cow corner, and mid wicket taken back. Oh, that's a bad delivery. Dispatched for a boundary. Why is it a legal delivery? That's a no ball, so it's a free hit. Hassan Saeed has a license to thrill. And at the end, a good delivery, a single only, not that much of a damage. ADCL Reds need wickets at the start to push back DCL's chase, to dent it the same way DCL dented ADCL Reds' batting top order. DCL, on the other hand, would definitely want to preserve wickets, focus on partnerships. Either one big one or a few small ones would do. That's a good delivery, a dot ball. 8 overs, 8 runs from 1 over. Salik Shah will bowl. Six 50s, Hassan Saeed. 13 50s and 200s by Umar Sabir. Salik Shah, 62 wickets. Edge and single taken. वो नो बॉल हाथ से स्लिप होगी, बॉल हाथ से स्लिप होगी थी नो बॉल. Oh, that's a bad delivery. He's lucky to get away with that. Salik could have been dispatched for a boundary there. That should be an easy single. Good delivery, a dot ball. That is slashed and very well fielded. Another dot ball. Oh, played and a miss. And another dot ball. At the end, only 3 runs of this over. So a good over comes to an end. 2 over 11 runs. And no wicket has been lost by DCL. Tanveer will continue. वाइफ जल्दी कर लें आप लोग साइड स्क्रीन के सामने. हरी अप प्लीज, हरी अप. नहीं यार. Excellent delivery by Tanveer. Five balls left of the first power play. Oh, that is again an excellent. Oh, that's a bit of sloppy fielding, I would say. Single taken. यहाँ पे इसकी पावर नहीं है. देखो. That's one. लेकिन उन्हीं जैसा नहीं करता है अंदर तो feels like he wants shot. At the end of the day, if they bat out 20 overs, I don't think they will win. If they bat out all 20 overs, I don't think they will win. They need to take it. Edged, and that is the end of Umar. That is sloppy, and that is gone. The edge came till here. I'm a bit surprised, and he's gone. यहाँ तक आई थी. बाकी नहीं. हाँ, मैंने कहा था कि 20 ओवर पूरे खेलने में चांसेस ये है इंक्लूडिंग फयाज ऐसा नहीं. वो स्कोर इज 15-20 रन कम. इवन बहुत इतना बॉल कम है. ऊपर से आप और पीछे हो. ये मैं कह रहा हूँ. First wicket taken by Tanveer. 13 for 1. Fayaz Ahmed, the reliable, Mr. Reliable, 25 50s, 28.21 batting average, 4,316 runs. Tanveer remains to be seen, will bowl from over the wicket or round the wicket. Decided to bowl from round the wicket. He succeeded in giving his team first inroad. Next two deliveries are power play. I guess that Riaz definitely want to go after Tanveer in those two. And that's a no ball. A foot, no ball. साइड लाइन की हुई है साले भाई, साइड लाइन की हुई है मेरे ख्याल है, साइड लाइन की हुई है ना। टेक्निकली साइड लाइन से ओवर स्टेप। Excellent delivery, redeems himself, but to be honest, Hassan did have the license to thrill there. It was a free hit, can't blame him. What a pleasant weather we have here in Al Ain, cooler than Dubai I would say, and Abu Dhabi as well. And that is going to be a single. That is the end of a good power play for ADCL Reds, I would say. 16 for 1 in 3 overs. Power play is finished. देखिए यहाँ डिपेंड करता है कि आप बात क्या करते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ तो आप यहाँ पे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता नेक्स्ट रन रेट रिक्वायर्ड उसको ऊपर करना चाहिए। अब रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट अब चलेगा 7। ट्राई टू टेक इट टू 10। Once you take it to 10, then it's difficult to maintain it and try the batting team, then it can avalanche towards your way. So again, it depends. You can have your best bowler make sure that at least one bowler behind it and get away with it. अंदर 4 होंगे बात में। That is hit towards extra cover, should be just a single. Okay, हर ओवर में अगर 507 short of that now. Now the key here is क्या बाउंड्री करते हैं। फाइन लेग बचा के ले लिया, should bowl away from him. Excellent. Single taken by Fayaz. He's off the mark now. That's a good delivery, but still single taken. I think ADCL Reds has taken the page out of DCL's strategy. Change of pace, confuse the batsman, don't let him settle. Oh, magnificent delivery, a dot ball. Oh, that's a bad delivery. One bounce over the rope. That is 4. ये इसमें बाउंड्री खा लिया अब इसमें suddenly he have 7 runs in his pocket. So even if he takes a single now, so your required run rate is still the same, which means you've lost 1 over. That is over extra cover, might run away for 4. It does. So that's a bad over. A good one for DCL. 4 overs, 27. for 1. Starts off with a wide delivery. And that is it. Clean bowled. Mohammad Asif Tiger strikes. That's the end of Ehsan Saeed. Very critical wicket. And suddenly DCL is 28 for 2. And they've lost their 2 batsmen at the top. Dishan Butt. Asif Tiger will bowl to Dishan Butt now. Off the mark immediately with a single. Now the line here is Fayaz Ahmed, the Tiger. The hunt is on for Fayaz Ahmed, the main key wicket here. Well, that's an excellent delivery.
Say after the first delivery, Asif ball outwards. Let's see.
Should be just a single. Oh, excellent delivery. A Jeff off a delivery.
Guys missed इससे ओवर से पहले जाना चाहिए. 4 8 4 multiple of 4 यहाँ विकेट हो गया.
Excellent delivery once again. 5 overs, 30 runs.
अगर इवन फाइनल तक भी आप जाते हैं तो ये नहीं जा रहे. सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग है ना, तो कुदरत ने किया कि ये नीयत भी अच्छी है, आपको चांस तो दिया एंड यू फुलफिल्ड. ठीक है, तो यू डोंट हैव टू से एनीथिंग. आई थिंक एवरीवन गॉट सो द सिस्टम ऑलवेज रीएडजस्ट. मैं हमेशा हर एक को ये कहता हूँ, ट्रस्ट द सिस्टम. आप एक लैपटॉप यूज़ करते हैं, रन थ्रू द सॉफ्टवेयर, बग्स निकलते जाएंगे. जब आपको फील हो ना कि नहीं निकले, देन यू कैन.
And starts off with the dot ball. Oh, that is 4 wides. In fact, 5 wides, I would say. Oh, that is 4 leg byes. But nevertheless, bit of a quicker delivery. Oh, that is a height issue, and of course, slightly going towards leg side. That's a bad delivery. It's a wide ball. That is play towards point. That is poor fielding there. Single. At the end, a single. At the end, a single taken. That is tapped towards cover. And that's a single. And that is as straight as it can get. 4 runs. That's the end of the 6th over. 41. So from the current run rate perspective, DCL is right on the money. Current run rate is 6.8, required it 7.8, so they are still in control. The wickets are critical. Asif will continue. Disappointing over by Awais, persisting with the pacey deliveries. This pitch is dual based, therefore oh, excellent delivery, top notch. That is one bounce towards square leg, will be intercepted. That is slashed and gone. Anupam sitting with me, just predicted, and what a brilliant catch taken. Asif Tiger amongst wickets. Anupam just predicted just before this ball that there's going to be a wicket delivery. Sitting with me, and what a fantastic catch taken by Usama. Brilliant. Excellent wicket. Very critical wicket, and catches win matches.
And
Umair Ahmed walks in. Asif Tiger couldn't bat well today.
आप ना आते तो मैंने उनको वो कह देना था would have been a no ball.
Be careful. अच्छा किया. Played in a missed dot ball.
मैं रहम नहीं करता, बाहर निकल जाए दोस्ती, अंदर जाए नो दोस्ती.
Excellent deliveries. And play towards point. Oh, that's a poor misfield. That is going to be 4.
Sajid bhai. सर मैं हर चीज़ में मेरा कभी देखो आपने जो 2 कैच मिस किए वो रिकॉर्ड
Sajid Aziz, guilty of that misfield, comes to bowl and atone that mistake. Redemption perhaps. 46 for 3 in 7 overs. 105 required in 78 deliveries.
एक पत्ता तो जेब में रखे ना, एक पत्ता वो भी है उन्होंने अपने 1-2 बॉलर्स के ओवर एंड में अच्छे रखे.
There he starts off with a horrible wide delivery. Oh, played and a miss.
Okay, I know for a fact that they still have 2 good hitters. One is just like you. Leg spinner, he's just like you.
That should be dot ball.
Otherwise,
that is a poor delivery. Very well fielded by Azhar. Oh, excellent delivery. That is dot ball once again. Should be dot ball. That's a clever way to play. That's exactly what I've been telling ADCL Reds batsmen. Make way towards offside and play towards the leg if they want to. Single taken. That's the end of a very good over. 49 in 8 overs. It's 29 minutes and 45 seconds on the clock. That's not my problem to tell you. You should know. Osama coming in. Starts off with the wide delivery. Apparently, all spinners today have decided to bowl a wide delivery first. Cutting the ribbon, I guess. Oh, that's another wide delivery. Oh, that is gone plumb. And that is the end of Zishan, but seemed plumb. "51 for 4." And let's see who's the next batsman in. They still have Arif Ahmed if he's there. They still have Ishaq. They still have Tariq. They still have Ubaid. Tariq Khan walks in. He has 750s under his belt. 1,632 runs. So he's not a bunny with the bat. Oh, magnificent spin there. And immediately Tariq is off the mark. What crazy spin, I would say. But 52 for 4. Reds would definitely be fancying their chances now. That's a bad delivery. And he's gone. That is the end. Stumped and wicket taken. "53 for 5 now. ADCL Reds in commanding position now. Batsmen के पास होते हैं 180 seconds. That's why the bowling team has the right to appeal of a timed out. Okay. ये जो 3 minutes है ना जो पेड आउट होने के, ये इंक्लूड करके आईसीसी ने 4 minutes पर ओवर का कैलकुलेट किया बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. आपका इशू ये है कि आप साइड एक दफ़ा चेंज करते हैं सिर्फ पूरे मैच में, राइट? इंटरनेशनली तो हर एक में करते हैं, और वो इंटरनेशनली हर एक में बैट्समैन 10 के 10 भी आउट होंगे तो आपको 19 हिट्स में करना है. Ishaq Khan comes in. Now this batsman is a good all-rounder, 750s. Strike rate of 139. And he's not a bunny with the bat. He's a good all-rounder, likes to hit towards mid-wicket. His strong suit. Offside is perhaps not one of his stronger suits. He likes to hit firmly. Oh, excellent delivery.
You are now going into late territory slowly because all the bloody wides are off.
Oh, that is another wide.
This is ninth over finishing. You are touching.
That's an excellent delivery.
And 10 overs बाद आपने साइड भी चेंज करनी है, स्टॉपेज टाइम नहीं है. बोलना शुरू करें किसी साली का किसी को होने को, वी आर राइट ऑन द एज.
That's a good delivery and a single taken. 9 overs, 56 runs and 36 minutes are gone. On delay of each and every over. So right on the edge. Mind you that after this over, sides will be changed, boundaries will be hit. That is not stoppage time. Sajid comes back. Oh, excellent delivery, right on the money there. That's a good delivery.
नाइन पे रखें, 9 से ऊपर जाना शुरू रहता नहीं होगा.
That is punched and should be a dot ball.
जैसे 10 ओवर 40 में होना चाहिए, तो वी आर स्टिल ओके. 11th ओवर.
That's a dot ball. That's the end of the over. 10 overs gone. 38 minutes are finished.
अब इसका मतलब है कि आपने क्योंकि 11th ओवर स्टार्ट नहीं किया, so you have to make sure कि आप 40 मिनट टच होते हुए आपने 11th ओवर की पहली बॉल करा दें. समझ गई? बेसिकली यू हैव अबाउट 90 सेकंड्स, 80 सेकंड्स. अब टीमें क्या होती हैं, अब जैसे मुझे प्रॉब्लम ये है कि people, some of them are walking and not taking serious. Fine, that's okay. अभी तो हो सकता है 5 विकेट 20 ओवर से पहले उड़ा दें, इस पेनल्टी में ना आए, लेकिन कल को फाइनल में हैबिट.
थोड़ा जल्दी करो.
Asif Tiger. 10 overs, 58 for 5. We are into our 40th minute now.
वो अंपायर कहता है ना.
And that is being chased by Syed Rafi. He does well. and 2 runs. That's a good delivery.
अनुपम, आप ईएससी में किस टीम से खेल रहे हैं? ईएससी में खेल रहे हो?
That is slashed towards point. A bit of misfield by Sajid. Yes and no.
एडीसी स्टाफ के साथ भी बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो भी जिस सीजन हमारा मैच नहीं होता ना, आप लोगों को वो खेल रहे हैं। करनी चाहिए, आप कहाँ रहते हैं? वो उधर ही है, आसपास ही है।
That is a single.
क्योंकि वो रेगुलर खेलते हैं, भी हैप्पी टू कम देखते हैं।
That is a dot ball.
Whichever division, उसका एक अपना बड़ा मजा है। First division.
Oh, that is a good delivery, dot ball. End of the over. 61 in 11 overs. Tanveer will bowl his third over. It's been economical. 12 runs given in 2 overs. Taken 1 wicket.
हमारा शेड्यूल अब जैसे सितंबर में स्टार्ट होगा ना, तो अगस्त में we will actually release the schedule from September till 1st. So you will know exactly कि आपका मैचेस क्या है. Of course I cannot predict कि आप फाइनल में हैं कि नहीं हैं, वो तो, लेकिन you will know कि अगर फाइनल में जाते हैं तो
That is punch towards extra cover. A bit of misfield there. Single. Not taken. That is a good delivery. This time a quick single taken. Should be taken. Taken by Salik at the end. (62 for 6).
I think you will be the man of the match. If you are your first man of the match, you will enjoy Super. आप Super 8 ही खेलें ना? It's most mandatory for you to bat and bowl both.
Sir, can you confirm, is it Ahmed Jatt or Arif Ahmed?
Jatt. Ahmed Jatt.
Yes sir. ठीक है ऑलरेडी
तो इन्फॉर्म ही, अगर आपने कोई कैच मिस किया ना, इसमें आ गया तो फिर खत्म हो गया।
Ahmed Jatt now facing Tanveer. 62 for 6. DCL Reds slowly but surely pushing back DCL's ambitions for the final. The umpire indicating that it hit the thigh. Nevertheless, excellent keeping by Azhar Baghdadi.
लास्ट बॉल है
जी सर, last ball. Oh, played and a miss. Excellent delivery. 62 for 6 in 12 overs.
आज तक कंटिन्यू
किसने कहे थे? हालांकि वो गुड बॉलर है, किस्मत की बात है। खैर अब जहाँ मतलब पार्ट ऑफ गेम।
Oh, that's a firm hit. That's a 6.
दो लग गई ना तो आप लोगों को डाले पड़ गए ना अपनी जान पे। मैं कहता दो छक्के और लग गए ना तो लगता तो जाता। Required run rate is still 10.6, which is achievable. And वही आपसे कह रहा हूँ, if you not get them all out, he's the last.
That is dot ball. Oh, played and a miss. Good delivery. Good comeback by Asif.
How was your experience with UCL so far? Enjoying? You were really enjoying Super 8. इसमें do you know Super 8 कैसे खेला जाता है? Super 8 T20 game.
And that is difficult. Remains to be seen. It's a 4.
Super 8 में 11 बंदे होंगे, ठीक है? 5 जोड़ियाँ बनेंगी। जो 11वां बंदा होगा वो डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा, उसको हम कहते हैं स्पेशलिस्ट बॉलर। हर जोड़ी में जाके 4 ओवर खेल, ठीक है? If you get out, -6, but you still have to keep on playing.
That is slashed towards Gali. Misfielded by Sajid. Quick 2.
वो 4 ओवर आपने खेलने हैं, आपका खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर कम आउट में रिटर्न में भी जा सकते हैं, अगर आउट होना शुरू होता है। नेक्स्ट प्लेयर विल कम इन देयर कंटिन्यू एंड यू हैव अ टू। देन 10 ऑफ दोस आउट, कीपर के अलावा बाकी 10 ने मैंडेटरी 2 ओवर जरूर कराने हैं।
That is slashed and single taken. 75 for 6 in 13 overs. 76 required in 42 deliveries. We have a game which is not over yet. Imran Sheikh walks in. Experienced campaigner. Excellent spell by Asif Tiger comes to an end. He's been magnificent. Well done, Asif bhai. If he doesn't work in batting, he will work in bowling. That's his mantra. Now Imran Sheikh. 75 for 6. Ishaq is the key here, the key man. That is slashed towards extra cover. Sajid Aziz. Bit of fumble and 2 runs taken. That is poor stuff by Sajid. That is again slashed. Well fielded there by Anupam. That is hit towards cow corner. Will be a single or will it be 2? Remains to be seen. It's a single. That is missed out. Keeper Azhar Baghdadi. Umpire, is it off the bat? Umpire इशारा देगा तो मैं कुछ करूँगा. यार मैं कहता हूँ कमाल हो गया आज तो. That's a single. Played in a miss. That's the end. 150 is the score made by DCL Reds. So 151 is required. 71 more required in 36 deliveries. 80 for 6 in 14 overs. 80 in 14 overs. $71.
71.
And you have 37 minutes to finish the remaining over. 37 minutes. Otherwise, per minute, 2 runs penalty. Even if the result changes. That is as straight as it can get. And a good hit for a 4. That is hit towards mid wicket, a bit disappointed.
चलो कभी कभी तो हो जाता है लेकिन मैं वैसे क्या एक दो बंदे हो गए.
That is played towards mid wicket, a single.
आउट करता रहा हूँ मैं. गुड विक्ट्री फॉर उमर.
Oh, that is the end. 86 for 7.
वो आया कि नहीं आया?
86 for 7. The speedster Ubaid, who has teased a lot of people with his pace, will be perhaps teased by spin today.
सामा का यहाँ पे ग्रेस के साथ है, उन्होंने ग्रेस को और बड़ी बात है सामान ने भी फाइनल में जाना है, तो ये हमारी टीम रेड्स टीम का फाइनल बड़ा तगड़ा है.
That is played towards mid wicket. Call for 2. And he's gone. सुमित
कितनी विकेटें बाकी है सर?
सर इनके 10 बंदे हैं, एक रह गई है इनकी विकेट. 1 wicket left. So this is more or less the last wicket. Sumit Chaudhary I think is coming. नहीं खत्म नहीं हुआ सर, 8 आउट हुए हैं ना. सो 9 आउट होंगे तो खत्म हो जाएगा. Still 1 to go. Sumit Chaudhary.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है बॉलिंग.
चलेगी. That's a dot ball. That's the end of the over. 87 for 8 in
रन कंटिन्यू.
आप एक काम करें, आप ठंडा होना कहीं से मैसेज करके तो बस.
and that is bit of misfield but dot ball. That is played towards square leg. That's a boundary.
up to the license.
चाहिए किड़ा 160 है भाई, हो भी सकता है. और विकटा बहुत उड़ी हैं और 10वां प्लेयर भी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੇ. Lead and miss. Dot ball. Oh, that is a firm hit. Oh, dropped. Salik Shah drops it.
वाह, इधर किए करे भाई.
That is played towards deep cover.
माड़ी तो नहीं थी बॉल.
That is towards mid wicket. .94 in 16 overs. .57 required in 24 deliveries. That should be a wide delivery. It is. Played and a miss. That is towards Ijaz Kiani, and he takes it. And that is the end of the innings. ADCL Reds marches to the ADCL Reds 1. And congratulations to Anupam, the man of the match. And from DCL Ishaq, congratulations for ADCL Reds for reaching the final of the Shield Division on 1st of June.